The OMG carpet cleaning process begins with the entire carpet being treated with an oxygenated citrus cleaning solution that is manufactured by us. We then use a 100-pound machine with a dirt napper, brush, and bonnet system that cleans the fibers and wicks up dirt and debris from deep within the carpet. We finish up by using a lint house vacuum to help dry the carpet. Our amazing non-soapy oxygenated citrus formula eliminates the residual problems caused by steam, shampoo, and other soapy products, so your carpet stays cleaner longer. Yes, we are pet friendly, people friendly, as well as wallet friendly. There are no upsells, no per spot fees, and no trip or fuel charges. You pay exactly what you quoted, or your carpet cleaning is free. Ask the other guys if they'll do that.